First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid.
It's all coming out, and we have the perfect minds and collision course to get in where the getting is good. Avi Loeb, December 14th on Collision Course with me, Francis Walsh, and co-host Serge Torres from 1 to 3 p.m. CDT. Live, #UAP, #full disclosure, #who knows the most, #who has evidence, #what is evidence, #UFO, #phenomenon. Avi Loeb's book Extraterrestrial, The First Sign of Intelligent Life Beyond Earth, 2021, explores the possibility that Oumuamua, an interstellar object detected in 2017, could be evidence of alien technology. The book presents a provocative scientific argument based on the object's peculiar characteristics, which defy explanations as a comet or asteroid. Loeb highlights several anomalies. 1. Shape and movement. Oumuamua's elongated shape and unexpected acceleration as it moved through space suggested it might be propelled by non-gravitational forces. 2. Surface reflection. Its brightness and reflective surface resembled polished metal, inconsistent with natural celestial bodies. 3. No observable tail. Unlike comets, it lacked a visible tail or outgassing, ruling out conventional explanations. Loeb argues that these features might point to an artificial origin such as a solar sail, technology humans have theorized for space propulsion. The book also discusses humanity's biases and resistance to considering the possibility of extraterrestrial intelligence. Loeb criticizes the scientific community for being overly cautious and dismissive, urging open-minded inquiry. Beyond Oumuamua, Loeb reflects on the broader implications of finding intelligent extraterrestrial life, including how it would reshape our understanding of the universe and humanity's place within it. Extraterrestrial challenges readers to confront the limits of human knowledge and embrace scientific exploration of unconventional ideas, making it a thought-provoking contribution to the field of astrobiology and extraterrestrial research. In Avi Loeb's 2023 book, Interstellar: The Search for Extraterrestrial Life and Our Future in the Stars, explores the quest for extraterrestrial intelligence and humanity's potential to become an interstellar species. Building upon his earlier work, Extraterrestrial, where he posited that the interstellar object Oumuamua might be an alien artifact, Loeb delves deeper into the scientific pursuit of alien technologies and the implications of such discoveries. Loeb advocates for a systematic, evidence-based approach to searching for signs of extraterrestrial civilizations, emphasizing the importance of open-minded scientific inquiry. He discusses initiatives like the Galileo Project, which aims to detect and analyze unidentified aerial phenomena, or UAP, using advanced instruments. The book also examines humanity's future in space, arguing that becoming an interstellar species is crucial for our long-term survival. Loeb suggests that exploring and potentially colonizing other star systems could ensure the continuation of human civilization in the face of existential threats. Interstellar combines elements of philosophy, physics, and cutting-edge science, offering a thought-provoking perspective on our place in the universe and the search for extraterrestrial life. While some reviewers praise its visionary approach, others find it speculative and disorganized. Overall, the book challenges readers to reconsider humanity's role in the cosmos and the importance of scientific curiosity in shaping our future.